Hey there, stackers. We're here with another video for our Pokemon groups in our stacking community. We're going to be opening up an Elite Trainer box, and I've got Pokéx here to do the honor. So go ahead, take it away.
Okay, so we're just going to open it up. Gotta get my knife. Put it up, cut it. I cut this thing. Oh, there.
Let's get in this box here, son. These people want to see some cards. So let me help them there. And then we'll get this party started. Let's go. All right. We're in. And
so we have...
Take it away.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8 cards, 8 booster packs. It comes with a card game rules. Okay, and then it comes with some sleeves. Okay, and then some energies and a code card and some dividers. And I don't know what these are called.
It's like, I guess, playing card thingies where you just kind of mark your place.
Yeah, maybe.
And then some dice. All right, we got through the card stuff. Let's get into what they're here for. Open up them packs.
Okay.
Watch here. That way you can see what you're doing. And then they can see it too.
How do I open these cards?
All right, let me do this for them.
Oh yeah, that's how you open them.
Boom, 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 boom. And then boom, boom.
Thank you. Okay, so... Okay, so we have to take white, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to the front. Okay, energy. Morpeko. Double Blade. Churiel. Esper. Shinx. Blipbug. Poniard. Mankey. Murkrow. I think.
And
ooh!
Bronzong.
We got this one last time.
It's the same one?
Yeah, it's the same one.
Oh, man.
That's funny.
We'll take 2. That's okay.
Okay, no.
All right, so where's the, here we go. Put in the sleeve.
Okay,
no. Should we put in a red sleeve?
I think so.
Because it's,
or we just use the blue.
We opened up a blue one already. Well, we'll just leave that one. We'll just keep these ones.
Yeah.
We'll keep one in the blue. All right. Wrap this one up. Protected. Pop out. First win on the first pack. I like that. Let's do it.
Okay, and then I don't know how to open.
So the way you do it is you're gonna see from here. Take your thumb, and you're gonna see how you can make it like that.
Oh, okay.
And pinch.
And then boom. Okay. So.
And then from there, yep. Boom.
Boom.
Now we keep the cases intact and put them right back if needed.
So white code card, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come to the front. Energy. Golbat.
That's a nice one.
Bruno. Carkle. Chirp. Ooh, it looks like we have something in the back.
Ooh, we got something fancy in the back.
Patrucio.
I see it's shiny.
Chimurcho. I don't know how to pronounce these. On-edge. Horsey. Bolton.
And what do we got? Ooh, that is nice. A Victini.
V.
That's what I'm talking about. I like that one. Look at that. Let's put them in the case.
I don't know how to...
The sleeve.
how to see them.
How to what?
How to say them. Their names.
Oh, yeah. I mean, most of these people don't know how to do it either. Everybody's just guessing. Too fun.
Maybe.
All right. Let's keep that protected.
And the Bolton, too.
Boom. Look at that. 2 packs, 2 holos. I like that. See? Mr. Pokéx over here landing some good pulls already. I'm liking it. All right. So these are the regular holos. We'll put them over here. Go ahead and open that next pack there, son.
Okay. So we're just again. Oh, just open like this. Uh-oh. Okay, so the code card 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Tower of Darkness, Girder, Durant, Yamper, Murkrow, Salandit, Bellsprout,
Bellsprout, the classics.
Mindfu,
Chimichu.
Ooh,
Cheerum, another holo, bro.
Dang.
3 for 3 in this box already. That's what I'm talking about. All right.
So is this the blue one lucky? I meant the red one?
Looks like everyone's going after the blue, but the red one's got the good pulls. Jeez.
Okay.
We got 3 holos for 3 pulls. That's what I'm talking about.
Yep. Okay, so now let's open this one. Okay, the code card out of there. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the front. Okay, Energy, Luxio, Spurpa, Mustard, what the?
Mustard.
Lickitung, Zubat, Remoraid,
Onyx. Oh, he was one of my faves.
wasn't
He's a boss.
Mawili, I
Rapid
think.
Strike. Mustard again.
Strike Mustard,
Ooh, that's a nice one.
and a Drampa.
And a Drampa.
Looks like Snoop Dogg.
that's a Snoopy right there. We'll call that one Snoop Dogg.
So we didn't get a holo.
Drampa. No holo on that one, besides the basic holo that it comes with, the reverse holos. So, all right, let's wrap that one up. Hey, man, you got 3 in a row holos. Jeez.
Mm-hmm.
I think we only hit like 3 holos on the whole last box. You got first 3 holos. Cool.
Okay, let's open another pack.
Next one.
Open sesame. Thank you. Okay. White code card out of there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. An Energy. Weeping Bell. X-Share. Purgly. Chimicho. Onyx.
Yeah.
Sizzlepede. Glamio. Slowpoke.
Marowak.
Oh, Rainbow Rare!
Whoa!
No way!
Yes way!
Get it in his sleeve right now!
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I didn't think we would ever pull a Rainbow Rare.
Rainbow Rare, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Keep this one pretty. This one's going to PSA.
Is there any scratching?
No, it looks clean. Beautiful.
Oh my god, that is crazy.
Beautiful. Rapid Strike Style Mustard.
Why is his name Mustard?
He likes mustard. It's his favorite condiment. I don't know. Beautiful. Another
Okay.
hit. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's open another pack.
Let's go. I'm going to have PokeX be opening up my packs now, man. I didn't pull nothing on mine. Yeesh. Big winner over here.
Yeah. Okay, so, oh yeah, code card out of there. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you had a Marowak reverse holo. I like that
Oh.
Marowak. That's a classic.
So we got Fire Energy,
Fearow, classic.
Escape Rope, Gumpig. Ooh, look at that.
Grumpig. He's a grumpy guy.
Look at drawing. Might save that one. Mawile, Spoink, Mr. Mime,
classic.
Scatterbug, Yamper, Duran Reverse.
Oh!
We got another!
Dang!
Oh my god!
Look at this. Tapu Koko. Damn.
Oh my gosh. How do I keep pulling these?
Mr. Stacker and PokeX cleaning up.
Oh my
right.
gosh.
This one might be going to PSA too. Woo! Beautiful.
Holy chicken
Look
moly.
at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
This is crazy.
We're getting it.
Okay, let's open it. It's up now.
This is a second to last pack. Dang, look at all what you opened, and you still have 2 packs going.
I know. Oh my gosh. Okay.
This is Crazy.
Zubat. In the
Careful
front.
with that pool, man. You're going to
I
scratch
know.
it on the way out.
And try to be careful. Alright, so code card out.
Don't put it in there. Put it at the bottom.
I tried to throw
I
that
was
one.
trying to be all cool like me. I'm going to be like Mr. Stacker.
Okay, so we put 4 to the front. Be careful with these. Okay, energy. I don't know.
Just
Purple. Purugly. Or Purgly.
Ooh, look at that one. Honchkrow.
Seadra. Zubat.
Yeah, Zubat. Cubone. Classics.
Cubone. Ooh, that was a little baby. What's the same?
Foolish.
Foolish. Blipbug.
Blipbug.
Roly-Coly.
Carnivine.
Varvine.
And a Centitrosh. Or something like that.
Non-hollow.
Non-hollow. All right, cool.
We got the reverse.
All good. All good. Should we be separating these rares? I don't even know if they're rare. How would you know?
This one is a rare. Not a
Yeah,
rare,
this
but-
one's a hollow, but like, how do you know like the rares from the standards?
Oh. Well, there was one.
Like they have these things. Like, would this be considered a rare? You know, I mean, they've got these weird ability things on them. I don't know. All right, well, let's get to that last pack there, son.
Last pack.
Pokéx.
It could be another rainbow.
Imagine 2 rainbows in 1 box.
Imagine if it was a Charizard.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay.
That's what I'm
Open it.
imagining. That's all I know. Cheese.
Did you just say cheese?
I think so.
Okay, so we got the code card out. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. Energy. Another energy.
Phoebe.
Phoebe. Heatmore.
Sizzlipede.
Sizzlipede. Ball Toy.
Bald boy, I think, right?
Baltoy?
Oh, Baltoy.
No, Baltoy, yeah.
Timber.
Corfish, I think.
Yeah, Corfish.
Cacnea.
Cacnea.
Oh,
Mr. Mime with the reverse. Primeape.
that was cool.
Hey, I like that Mr. Mime.
But look at this rainbow
The
rare.
rainbow rare.
Ooh, look at that.
Show the 2, the Tapu and the rainbow.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, and the Vanity too.
Pulled all of
You
these.
got all in 1 box. Show those. Highlight it, son.
So I got all of these in just 1 box. Look at this. Can't really see the shine because of the sleeve. I never thought I'd ever pull a rainbow rare.
You did it.
That's
you
crazy.
did it. All right, my friends, that is that box. So continue to check out Mr. Stacker's videos. We're going to be opening up a couple more, including this little Pikachu one here. So we'll see you guys on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Stacker out.
Bye-bye.